The Ford Ikon is a compact sedan that left a lasting impression in various global markets, especially in India, South Africa, and Mexico. Introduced as part of Ford's strategy to penetrate emerging markets, the Ikon blended affordability, performance, and reliability. This article delves into the car's history, technical specifications, design elements, performance attributes, market reception, and its eventual discontinuation, origins and development. The Ford Ikon was introduced in 1999 as an extension of the Ford Fiesta platform. Designed primarily for developing markets, it was manufactured in Ford's Chennai plant in India and later in South Africa and Mexico. The car was based on the fourth-generation Ford Fiesta hatchback but featured a distinct design to appeal to sedan buyers. Ford aimed to provide a budget-friendly alternative with a hint of sportiness, a key selling point in regions where mid-size sedans were considered aspirational. The company also leveraged its global experience to ensure that the Ikon was competitive in terms of safety, performance, and comfort. Design and styling. Exterior design. The Ford Ikon carried a unique, new-edge design philosophy, which was evident in its sleek lines, aggressive stance, and well-proportioned bodywork. It featured a chrome-accented grille, giving it a premium appeal, swept-back headlamps that enhanced its sporty look, a well-sculpted rear with wraparound taillights, a compact but proportionate boot space, offering a balanced sedan shape, 15-inch alloy wheels, on higher variants, that added to its aesthetic appeal. Interior features. Inside, the Ford Ikon was designed to be functional yet comfortable, offering dual-tone dashboard with ergonomically placed controls, fabric upholstery. For better comfort. Decent legroom and headroom for a subcompact sedan, an analog instrument cluster with speedometer, tachometer, and fuel indicators, basic infotainment system, with cassette players in early models and later upgraded to CD/MP3 players, air conditioning and power windows, available in higher trims. Engine and performance. Ford offered the Ikon with multiple petrol and diesel engine options, each designed to balance fuel efficiency and driving pleasure. Some key engine configurations included petrol engines, 1.3L Rockham petrol engine, 70 to 75 brake horsepower, 105 Nm torque, known for its peppy performance and quick acceleration, offered good fuel economy for urban driving. 1.6L Rockham petrol engine, 92 to 100 brake horsepower, 146 Nm torque, geared towards enthusiasts, providing spirited performance, had impressive throttle response for a compact sedan. Diesel engine, 1.4L Endura diesel engine, 68 brake horsepower, 130 Nm torque, focused on fuel efficiency, making it popular among budget-conscious buyers, offered a smooth and refined driving experience. The Ikon's manual transmission was responsive and well-tuned, allowing for smooth gear shifts. However, no automatic transmission was offered, as Ford wanted to keep costs low and cater to a predominantly manual-driven market. Driving dynamics. One of the strongest selling points of the Ford Ikon was its driving experience. Key highlights included balanced suspension. The suspension was finely tuned to offer a blend of comfort and handling, making the car ideal for both city drives and highway runs. Precise steering. The hydraulic power steering provided great feedback, making it fun to drive. Low center of gravity, improved stability at high speeds. Braking performance. The disc drum combination was effective in ensuring safe braking distances. Market reception. The Ford Ikon was well received in various markets, especially in India, South Africa, and Mexico. In India, it was often referred to as the Josh machine due to its sporty appeal. India, the Ikon was one of the most successful sedans of its time, competing with the Maruti Suzuki Esteem, Hyundai Accent, and Honda City. Its sporty appeal and strong Ford brand recognition helped it stand out. South Africa, marketed as a practical yet fun-to-drive sedan, the Ikon found a loyal customer base. Mexico, it was rebadged as the Fiesta Ikon, enjoying moderate success. Challenges and shortcomings. Despite its popularity, the Ford Ikon faced certain challenges that limited its long-term success. Fuel economy. While performance was commendable, mileage figures were not as competitive as some rivals. maintenance costs. Ford's parts and service costs were often higher compared to local competitors. Outdated features. As new models entered the market with advanced features, the Ikon began to feel dated. Rust issues. Some owners reported rusting problems, particularly in humid regions. Discontinuation and legacy. By the late 2000s, newer and more technologically advanced cars emerged in the compact sedan segment. Ford eventually discontinued the Ikon in 2011, replacing it with the Ford Fiesta Classic. The discontinuation marked the end of an era for what many considered Ford's most fun-to-drive budget sedan. However, the Ikon remains a favorite among car enthusiasts and collectors due to its engaging driving dynamics and nostalgic appeal. Conclusion: the Ford Ikon was more than just a budget-friendly sedan, it was a car that brought excitement to everyday driving. With its sporty design, fun-to-drive characteristics, and practical appeal, the Ikon carved a niche for itself in emerging markets. While it may no longer be in production, its legacy as the Josh machine lives on in the hearts of automobile enthusiasts, for those lucky enough to still own one. The Ford Ikon remains a symbol of Ford's commitment to providing affordable yet engaging vehicles.